Annyeonghaseyo, Yoruban. How are you all doing? A very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your love and feedback. If there's any questions or suggestions you have, please feel free to leave it in the comments, or you can also email them to me. And today, as you know from the title and the thumbnail already, I'm going to share with you my favorite Korean ramyuns. And please stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to save the best for last, the one that I love the most out of the ones that I share with you today. Also, guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like this video if you enjoy it or find anything positive in it. And with that, let's just quickly get started because I'm so excited about this video. I haven't come across any Korean film or series till now that doesn't have at least one scene where you see the characters slurping on Korean ramyun. And this is what got me interested and now addicted to them. I have since had them just as they come, as well as with omelets, fried vegetables, and even mixed the soup with rice. And interestingly, it tastes just as well each time. It's been over a year that I have been having Korean instant noodles, and I just can't get enough of them. Korean ramen, my friends, is much different in taste and texture to our regular Indian instant noodles. For one, these noodles are much more thicker and chewy. Also, by way of quantity, one pack of Korean ramyeon would be equivalent to 3 to 4 single packs of Maggi, for example. Also, you usually get a pack of soup base and a pack of dried garnishing with each pack of Korean ramyeon. The dried garnishing can comprise of vegetables, seaweed, sesame seeds, or even cheese. The soup base, depending on the variant, can range from mild to very spicy. In any case, Korean ramyun is much more spicy than our Indian counterparts. You can have it soupy or pan-fried as you prefer. And till now, I have tried 3 different varieties of Korean ramyun. First ramyun I'm going to share with you is this. It's the Shin Ramyeon from Nongshim. This one I found is not as spicy, and by way of dried garnishing, it has dried vegetables as well as mushrooms. Taste-wise, I would give this a 3 out of 5. This one goes well with added vegetables and eggs. Moving on, the second one on my list, and I'm sorry you guys, I don't have that one with me right now, but I'll show a picture of it on this side of the screen for you to refer to. So this one is the Samyang Buldak Carbonara Ramen. This one has a cheese sauce sachet, and that was quite the tongue twister, right? Try saying that once, you guys. So along with the cheese sauce, it also has the sweet and spicy soup base. It has a distinct cheesy flavor and is mildly spicy. For all those who love Korean ramen but can't have it for its spiciness, I would definitely suggest this one to you guys. And by way of rating, I'd give this a 3 out of 5. Now coming to the third and the last ramen on my list. Dugu 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 dugu. Which one do you think it is? Yes, it is Samyang's 2 times spicy Buldak Korean ramen. I am someone who really loves spicy food, and downing a few chilies per meal is nothing for me. However, having said that, this one by far has to be the spiciest dish I have ever tried. Trying it for the first time was pain and pleasure in equal measure for me. The spiciness of the soup base is just on another level, you guys. And the most evil part of that sauce is that it's a slow burner. The heat and spice of the soup base hit you in a slightly slow fashion. And before long, your ears, your lips, your tongue all go red. Keep a glass of cold milk by you for dealing with this evil bowl of goodness. Taste-wise, I definitely give this a 5 out of 5 despite its extreme spiciness. I am just crazy about this ramen variant, and I have reordered it like 6 times already. This comes in, this is a single pack that I'm showing you, but they come in like packs of 5, okay? So I have bought those 5 packs 6 times. And one tip, if you want to tone down the spiciness and the heat, please don't use the complete sachet of the soup base. Personally, I prefer having ramyeon with chicken sausages. Let me know how you prefer yours. And last but not the least, I am so grateful to Amazon for making these available to us in India. Price wise, they are a little expensive, with each one costing you about 100 rupees or a little more than that. But I personally don't mind the price given how tasty and amazing they are. Give it a try, you guys, if you've never tasted one before, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Share with me your experience, you guys, if you are a fan of them like me. And with that, I leave you here till we meet again on another video. Please suggest me any particular content you would like me to present to you. And if you found this video helpful, enjoyable, informational, anything positive, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it. And in the meantime, stay happy, stay healthy, try remain positive all the time. And Saranghe.